It's your girl, Rare Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell your mom and them, because we lady over here. And without further ado, in today's video, so I told y'all that December is going to be a litty month. litty. So yeah. I'm not gonna tell y'all my plans, but here goes another plan. So I'm doing a giveaway today. I think for December, I'm going to be doing a few giveaways. I'm not sure how many or when I'm going to drop them. Not sure. Y'all excuse my phone, my other phone going off. So yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Now this giveaway is going to be one person, but there's going to be more giveaways in the future because y'all know how we rock. So just be on the lookout. Make sure you have your notifications on. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, but definitely make sure you have your notifications on so you can know when I'm dropping a video. That's how you got to stay on top. And then you follow the rules. So this rule is going to be basically make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video. If you have social media, if you don't have social media, that's fine. You can still enter. But if you have social media, make sure you follow me on TikTok and also Instagram. The name is still the same on all platforms, Rare Secrets. So it's Rare Secrets on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So this, let me see, this is going to be hashtag Hello Kitty. Okay. So the lucky winner, and I got everything in this bag because I've just been accumulating stuff because stuff has been coming in at later times. So the winner is going to win. And y'all, it ain't me blaming the post office, the United States Postal Service, for this stuff being messed up like this, but it's still in the pack. Like, this is still, I can't open it because it has this right there, and plus I don't want to open y'all stuff. So this is in watermelon red. It's basically in like that prickly, I don't know if is that a word? Y'all know them Starbucks cups that's like, it has that type of rugged surface. It doesn't have Starbucks on here, but it has that, it's like a prickle, like, you know what I mean, studded, that's what it is. It has the studded type of situation. So in this one, 3 cups come in here. What are the sizes? Not sure, but 3 cups come in here. This size, which I'm guessing probably like a regular 16 ounce or 32 ounce, one of the two, and then this size and this size. So 3 cups come in here, and this is in the color watermelon red, but it looks like it's kind of like a pinkish. You're going to get 2 lip glosses. These are Temu dupes. One is a dupe of the Christian Dior lip oil, and this is in the color raspberry. And then you're also going to get another lip oil that's in clear. It's a lip plumper. Yep, it's a lip plumper lip oil. Then you're going to get this little Hello Kitty pouch. You can either put your lip gloss in here if you have like AirPods or earphones or something. It's just like a little pouch that you can put stuff in. It's cute. It's like in a knitted material, very soft, but it has the Hello Kitty logo right there. Focus phone, please. Thank you. Then you're going to get this Hello Kitty. It's like this book, because I got one, but mine is in Kuromi. It's a Hello Kitty version of this. It has stickers in here, but you can also like write in here. It's like a journal, basically like a journal type of notebook situation, but it's Hello Kitty. And then last, you're going to get, brand new, is just the box is tore up thanks to the United States Postal Service. You're going to get these dupes. If you're into dupes, that's fine. If you're not, then you could, that way you can exit stage left or right or whatever you choose to be. But if you're down with the dupe clan, yeah, this is Hello Kitty, the special edition, the Beats, their version of Beats of the Solo Pro Hello Kitty version. So yeah, it's the Hello Kitty Beats, the dupes. So I don't know how the quality is. I went off um the reviews and they said they were good, but even if they're not, still use them. They say they beats, and plus it's free. You can't get mad at something that's free. So yes, once again, this is everything that comes in here. So once again, you have the Beats Hello Kitty, you have the lip oil, lip plumper, you got the Hello Kitty notepad, you got the 3-in-1 cup Starbucks dupe, and you also have this Hello Kitty little pouch that you can put stuff in. Once again, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment down below hashtag Hello Kitty. Make sure if you have social media that you follow on TikTok and Instagram. So once again, make sure you follow the rules. You know, also a FYI, you can enter in however many giveaways there are. Now, it doesn't mean necessarily you're gonna win them all, but don't think just because you enter one that you can't enter the other. You can enter in whatever one you have, whatever one I have. So I know there's one that we did last week, so even if you enter in that one, you can still enter in this one. So just make sure you follow the rules. Once again, in the comments, put hashtag Hello Kitty. These giveaways, I'm gonna keep them going. Y'all know how I usually do when I do, and then I'm not gonna announce them all at once. I'm gonna do it individually, so nothing gets mixed up or anything like that. So I'm gonna let it go on for a little bit. If I see that there's participation, but if I see it's only one person that entered in, they gonna win by default. Okay. But yeah, you wanna. I don't know why my phone going off like that, but yes, you wanna make sure you follow the instructions. Hashtag Hello Kitty. So, may the best family member win, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.